Hello, my name is Timofey. Last few years I work at Yandex. My main language is Golang, and I also have experience in other languages, for example Python. In Python I like library PyTest, which provides fixtures for created test environment. I tried to find fixture libraries in Golang and not found it. Then I make the library myself. Today I will tell about the fixtures in Go with library fixenv. Today I will show a simple test in Golang without fixtures. Then I will show same tests in Python with Python fixtures. Then I will talk about features of fixtures and show same tests in Go with fixtures. Then I will show example of fixtures source. Let's start. Golang tests. It will be very simple tests. In first test we will create a directory. You can see the test source. First part of source we prepare test environment. We create temp folder. Then we remove the temp folder with all contents. And test code. When we create a temporary directory within our work directory. If we will create a similar test with create file instead of a directory, we will repeat service code for create a working directory and remove it. Service code, useful test code. Common part of tests is create and remove temporary working directory. It will be fine if we will move out the code out of test code. We talked about simple Go test. Then I will show same tests in Python with fixtures. Our first test is created directory. The test receives a folder as argument. Folder is a path for temporary dir. It is our work dir, and a test can use it from start of test. After test finished, the directory will be removed with all contents. If we need a similar test with create a file, it will be same. The test receive folder as argument. The test can use the folder, and after test finished, the work folder will be removed with all contents. Folder is fixture. The folder fixture will create a directory, allow to execute test, then remove directory with all contents. So, fixtures provides a defined, reliable, and consistent context for tests. The one fixture can depend from other fixture. I will show it later. Easy cleanup. Every fixture can provide a cleanup code, and the tests don't need worry about cleanup. All cleanup will be made by fixture code. We talked about fixtures in Python, PyTest. Then we can talk about fixtures in Golang. I will show same tests in Golang with Fixtures. Same test, create directory, and you can see service code, one line for create Fixture environment, and one call to take temporary folder path. Function folder is Fixture. When Fixture called first time, it will create directory and return path to created directory. Path will be returned only if directory created successfully. If something will wrong, Fixture will fail test, and it allows to avoid boilerplate code for handle errors while we create our test environment. We can write more useful code and less service code. If we need a similar test with create a file, we can use same Fixture. Let's compare test with traditional style and with Fixtures. Traditional style with Fixtures. You can see value of service code in both tests. Fixtures in Golang provide defined, reliable, and consistent context for the tests. Same as PyTest. One fixture can depend from other fixture. I will show it later. Easy cleanup. Folder fixture clean up itself. The test don't need write any code for cleanup. Test code only. For example, Fixture will return same value during the test. For example, we can write test and call folder Fixture few times. First time, second times, and so on. What we will see in log. Before folder return first time, it will create a temp folder. Then first time, second time, and so on, it will return same folder. After test finished, Fixture will remove temp folder with all contents itself. We don't need any cleanup code in test. Fixture can depend one from other. For example, if we need some special folder, for example, inbox, in our working folder, and inbox need in many tests, we can create another fixture, inbox. Inbox fixture can call folder fixture. Folder fixture will create temporary folder. Then inbox receive good temporary folder, create path for inbox inside folder, and return it. The fixenv cage is a special function with fixture magic. It check about code of fixture will called only once. If inbox will called a second time, cache function detect it and return previous value. We don't need to worry about memories in fixture code. If fixture code will return non-nil error, cache function will fail test. Then we can try to use both of inbox and folder fixtures in same tests. As you can see, first, before work inbox folder fixture will create working folder, then inbox create inbox directory, then it will return, and we see logs from tests, and all of code of fixture inside inbox fixture or inside test will always return same value. After test finished, folder will remove temporary directory. As you can see, inbox fixture don't have cleanup code. It's okay because all cleanup will do by folder fixture. If we need cleanup code, then fixenv library provides a simple path for it. Fixenv define cleanup function type. It's simple function without arguments and without result. Same as cleanup function in standard test library. And function cache with cleanup. The function like cache, and additionally it call cleanup code when test finished. Now you can see a source of folder fixture which was used in our test. It create a temporary directory and create cleanup function. It will called after test finished. If something will wrong, the fixture will return error and all tests will fail. Fixtures in Golang with fixenv. Easy create test environment. In test code, you simple call fixture and get result value. You don't worry about creating environment. All will created in fixture code. Easy cleanup. Fixture can include cleanup code itself. In test, you only receive result value for work test. Then fixture will clean up itself. No need code in main test sources. Easy for reuse fixtures. Fixture is function. You can create own fixtures libraries and reuse it in few projects, or you can use standard fixtures from fixenv library. And fixenv has advanced features which wasn't shown today. It's use fixtures with params for create few similar instances of dependence, and reuse cache and reuse heavy dependencies between tests. For example, if you need database for tests and database creating is long, then you can define fixture scope, for example, test module, and all tests will reuse same database, and cleanup code will called after all tests finished. Today we talked about fixtures in Golang test. You can see more examples in fixenv repository. You can use it in your project. If you like the video, give thumbs up to the video. It will help us to understand about you like their content and provide more content for you. And I will ready to answer your questions from issues in GitHub.